East Gippsland is a cultural adventure. Its deep forests, brilliant lakes and long beaches are only the beginning of the East Gippsland experience.
Good morning. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Dick Ellis and I am the Mayor of the Shire of East Gippsland, and I'm standing in the holiday capital of Victoria, Lakes Entrance. And we really welcome you here to enjoy what we take for granted.
East Gippsland is home to 11 world-class national parks to explore. Explore nature at its best using four-wheel drive, boat, motorbike or good old pedal power. Its art galleries are dotted through the Shire and the cultural heritage of the area is proudly on display.
Please come back again, and whilst you're here though, enjoy what we have to offer.
So next time you think of getting away from the daily grind of city life, why not come and visit the wonders that East Gippsland has to offer?